Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm bringing an unboxing experience of the FireTV Stick 4K Max by Amazon. They're around $100 and I got a really good bargain on it for $39. I could have gotten it for about $32 but missed out on that bargain. Anyways, let's get this underway. Before I do, I'd like to let you guys know everything on this channel is completely being funded by me, so you guys get an unfiltered, unbiased opinion that is formed by myself. If you appreciate that, please do like, subscribe and share it around, as it does help out a lot and it's for free. It doesn't cost you anything. Alright, let's look at the unboxing experience. And that's basically it. Okay, all right, let's open this up. Okay, we can see something here. Okay, so nice and simple. That's something that Apple really does well. The unboxing experience is so simple with Apple, and these guys have done it as well. Okay, so what do you get? So you get the remote, obviously. Okay, you get the FireTV stick itself. Okay, so that's the Max with the quad-core chip. Okay, so that's the charger that you'll plug this in. Hopefully, if your TV does have a USB-A charger, and you'll put the micro USB into this little guy to charge it up. And other than that, you get that. Okay, so what's this? So you get an extender as well, so you can like have it dangling around with this. Although I don't, I plug it in. I've already got one, so I plug it in directly, and you get a bit of a manual. Very cute, very cute. Okay, and I'll get you guys the review very shortly. Okay, so you've got the charging brick. Okay, so in case you don't want to run off the telly. Okay, there's something else on the other side. Let me open it. No, nothing else. Okay, so that's basically it. That and a couple of batteries in there to charge up, which is very, very nice of Amazon to do, because not a lot of people do the battery these days. All right, let's open these up. Okay, so you got a bit of sticky tape everywhere. Okay, so that's basically it. So you've got, that's really nice, Netflix, you've got Amazon Prime Music, Disney Plus, and no YouTube button. Okay, so Alexa is there as well for you guys to use, and that's basically how it opens up. That's very, very nice. I like the remote, not too bad, not too shabby at all. Now let's look at the Fire Stick itself. So that's what it looks like. Okay, pretty basic, not much to see here. Okay, just a basic FireTV stick, the power, and that's basically it. All right, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching it. I'll get the review out to you guys very soon. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to check out on these and what are you interested in. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. I really appreciate that. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.